Hi folks, in this video we are going to solve the problem of opening Landsat 8 and Landsat 9 images in ENVI software. Recently, opening the Landsat images using Metafile in ENVI was problematic. In this video we will discuss how to import and open these images correctly. Firstly, download the Landsat 8 or Landsat 9 images. Then unzip the downloaded images. Here we will test the Landsat 8 image first. Open the ENVI software. Now, select the MTL file and import it into the software. As you can see, we encountered an error. Okay, to solve the error we go to the MTL file and open it. In the first row, there is group equals Landsat underscore metadata underscore file. This is what the error comes from. The only thing you should change is to type L1 instead of Landsat. Then simply save the file. Then repeat the steps, go to the ENVI software. Select the MTL file and import it to the software. As you can see, the images were imported to the software correctly. In the second step, we go to the Landsat 9 images. Unzip the downloaded images. And import the MTL file to the software. The same as Landsat 8, we faced an error. So we open the MTL file of the Landsat 9 images. In the first row, there is group equals Landsat underscore metadata underscore file. You should type L1 instead of Landsat. In the lower rows find spacecraft in equals Landsat 9. Instead of number 9, put number 8. And save the file. Go to the software again. Select the MTL file and import it into the software. As you can see, the images were imported to the software correctly. If you have any questions, ask us in the comments. Thank you for staying with us, hope you found it helpful.